In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed tweets in Notion. If you're building docs, sharing research, or curating inspiration, bringing tweets directly into your Notion pages is a clean way to add context without sending people elsewhere. I'll show you a simple, reliable workflow you can follow every time. First, you'll need the link to the tweet you want to embed. Open X, formerly known as Twitter, and go to the specific post. On a desktop browser, you can copy the URL straight from the address bar. On mobile, or if you prefer the interface tools, tap the share icon on the tweet and select Copy Link. Make sure the tweet is public and accessible. Private or protected posts won't display in Notion. It also helps to copy the full, unshortened link so Notion can recognize it immediately. Now, switch to your Notion page where you want the tweet to live. While Notion can sometimes auto-embed if you paste the link directly onto the page, the most consistent method is to use Notion's dedicated embed option. Click where you want the tweet to appear and type /tweet or /embed, then press enter. This tells Notion you're adding an embed block rather than plain text, which avoids formatting issues and gives you a predictable result. A small menu or input box will appear, prompting you for a link. Paste the tweet URL you copied a moment ago into that field. Double check that there aren't any extra spaces before or after the link. When you're ready, click Embed Link to finalize. Notion will fetch the tweet and display it right inside your page, complete with the author, text, images, or video, and the standard X interactions. If the embed doesn't render, confirm the link is a direct tweet URL and that the post is public. Try pasting again into a fresh embed block by repeating /tweet or /embed. Occasionally, network hiccups or tracking parameters on the link can cause issues, so a clean copy of the URL usually resolves it. Once the tweet appears, you're all set. Continue writing around it, and your readers can view the content without leaving Notion. And that's the entire process. Copy the tweet link, add a tweet, or embed block in Notion, paste, and click Embed Link. If you found any value in today's video, hitting the like button is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover this content. We're always looking to improve, so drop a note in the comments. Tell us what helped or what you'd like to see next. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build.